ground pork, a pound. I added garlic, pepper, salt, seasoning. I also added black pepper, so we're gonna add more black pepper in here, and then a little more salt. We'll add a little bit of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We'll add 2 eggs. And then we simply mix. Just mix it up. You can use your hands if you want. Put on some gloves, but for today I decided to just mix it up with a spoon. And then just a little bit to give more binding. Just 2 tablespoons of, or make it 3 tablespoons of flour. And we'll mix again. Mix it thoroughly before we start wrapping it. This would be a really delicious lumpia. Also, if your kids have trouble eating carrots and other vegetables, this is the best way to let them taste it. Because by the time they bite into it, all they will taste is the deliciousness of this lumpia. So, that's another trick there. For us to be able to tell if the flavor is okay or perfect, we need to try to cook it, because once we wrap it, it's going to be hard for us to change the taste. So let's fry 1 or 2 and let's see if it's already good. Otherwise, we can still add according to your taste. Alright, let's take it out. Time for tasting. I think we hit the right taste. So, all right, let's check it. That is ready. You see when it's starting to boil. There we go. That is perfect. So let's turn it off, and we can use this one as a paste when we're wrapping our lumpia. I'll show you later. We are going to prepare the wrapper. So I use this spring roll shell. You can buy it in any Filipino or Asian store. So let's start taking out the wrapper. All right, so let's start wrapping. So this is a really easy way of wrapping. So now that we separated the individual wrapper, we're going to put our filling, our lumpia, in here. Just a little bit. If you want a big one, then go ahead. But in my case, I like to make it small and thin. And the reason is that I want it to cook quicker. Okay? I don't have to use a lot of oil. So first, you're going to fold it like this. And then you start rolling. Now the trick is you really want to roll it tight because you don't want a lot of oil that will sip in later when you're frying. So just push it in like that. And then you roll it tight. And there's the paste for this. Just a little bit. Just to make sure that it will stick. Sometimes water will do, but I like it with paste. So let's do another one. And fold it. Roll. There you go. It's perfect. Remember to push, make it tight, and that's perfect. Okay. All right, let's cook some of the lumpias. Let's put vegetable oil. As what I have said, I don't have to use a lot of oil because my lumpias are not too thick. Just like that will work. All right, let's try if it's already hot. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Again, I'm not going to cook everything. It's a lot. So I'll cook some. The rest will go into the freezer. Put it in a Ziploc. Alright, first batch is ready. Alright, so let's try the lumpia. We're going to cut it in half like this. Because I'm going to put it in salad later. But, it's crispy. That's what it looks like. And let's try. That's really good. You really don't need sauce anymore. But if you do, you can use lumpia sauce, the sweet and sour one, or you can just dip it in soy sauce or vinegar. Perfect. You can even do ranch on it. That would be perfect. Our simple salad with Lumpiang Shanghai. There you have it. Easy, simple, and delicious. I just cut up all the lumpias in half and arrange it like that. I hope you had a great time cooking with me. And if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone, and thank you all for watching.